Okay, so now for the solution. Hopefully you have worked on this and successfully come up with 51.4 milliliters. So what is our starting point? Well, we want to get to moles in the middle. And the way we can do that is we can take the volume of this solution times its molarity. But first, let's get the volume into liters. So 35.7 milliliters, using this conversion factor, gives us 0.0357 liters of this solution. So then we take that value. So this is a whole new line. It looks like it's a fraction. Sorry, I underlined this, made it look like it was a fraction. This is a new line. We're taking that value in liters and we're multiplying it by its concentration. Liters cancels out and we're left with the number of moles of sodium carbonate that we have available. Then we take that number of moles and we use the stoichiometric coefficients from the balanced equation. 2 moles of nitric acid for every 1 mole of sodium nitrate. And that means that we would use double the number of nitric acid molecules. Then we bring that number down. We multiply it by the inverse of its concentration. See, here's the concentration, 0.15, and that's moles per liter. But we want to get to volume, so we have to have moles on the bottom because we have moles here, so moles goes on the bottom. So we use the inverse of the concentration. And we take this number and divide by 0.15, and we get 0.0514 liters of this solution. But the question asks for milliliters, so we do one more step and we convert the liters to milliliters. Now, some of you will have noticed that up here we multiplied by 10 to the negative third, and here we divided by 10 to the negative third. And so therefore, we could have skipped that step, and our answer would have been in milliliters. And this is true. But what has always concerned me is if I tell you you can skip that now, at some point you'll skip it when you can't. So because molarity, big M, is moles per liter, you're best off just getting into liters, and then you know that that will not be a problem. Okay, well, I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.